Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new chapter. He is my brother. What? He is my brother. You must be, when you heard the heading of the chapter name, when you heard the chapter name, He is my brother. What do you feel? Everybody must be having a brother and sister. It may be younger or it may be a small elder brother. It may be a younger brother to you or it may be elder brother to you. It is a story about a brother and sister, about their love to each other. You all must be having brother and sister. It may be younger or elder. You must be taking, if it is a younger brother, you must be taking lots of care of your brother because he is younger to you. If he is very young, he doesn't know how to do the work by its own, how to do the work, how to do few things by itself. Do you help? Yes, you help if your brother is small, is younger to you. He doesn't know few things and he takes the help of you or you help your younger brother. So it is a story, a small story about a brother and sister. It is a sweet and small story about a brother and sister. Let us see. Here the girl name is Meena. What is the name of the girl? Meena. How many years old she is? She is 12 years old. She is 12 years old. One day she climbed a hill. What is the story about? You can see in the picture. See, this is a girl. Her name is Meena. And what she is doing? She is climbing a hill with many people. She had carried a small boy on her back. You can see there is a small boy on her back. The boy was how many years old? 4 years old. How many years old? 4 years old. He was good looking boy with curly hair. Who was he? He was a good looking boy with a curly hair. Meena climbed the hill slowly and steadily. Why she was climbing slowly and steadily? धीरे धीरे और एकदम आहिस्ते से? Because she was carrying a small boy on her back. She was happy, so was the boy. Even the boy was happy, even Meena was happy. A man in the group felt sorry for Meena. Now if you climb a hill, there are many group of people around you, right? So when Meena was climbing a hill to a place, there was a man. So he felt very sorry for Meena. So what that person did, he asked her why she was carrying the load of a boy on her back. What did a man tell to Meena? Why you are carrying such a load on your back? Meena replied that the boy was her brother who could not walk. Now you remember who was the boy on her back she was carrying? It was her own brother. Now if you have a small brother and he is not able to walk, if you go somewhere for shopping or somewhere you go to play in the garden and the place is a little bit far off, he will walk with you. But after few distance, your brother or sister gets tired. He or she cannot walk anymore like you. So what you do, you carry in your hands for a while. And you will carry in your hands so the distance is also covered fast. And the boy or your brother or sister who is feeling tired, the legs are paining, cannot pain because you have carried your brother or sister in your hand for a while. So she said to that person that the boy is her brother who cannot walk. The word load pinched a lot. Which word? The word load. The word load pinched a lot because the person told Meena that you are carrying such a heavy load. She did not like it. And even that person did not know that the load she was carrying was her own brother. She reacted sharply that he the boy was not a lord but a brother. What happened? She reacted very sharply because she felt very bad. So she reacted also very sharply and she said that the lord is not a lord, it is her own brother. So did you follow? It is a short and sweet story about the love and affection of brother and sister. मीना 12 साल की थी। एक दिन वह कई लोगों के साथ एक पहाड़ी पर चढ़ रही थी। As I told, we go in a weddings or in a party, and if it is a long distance, and if your younger brother is not able to walk for such a long distance, he is tired, so you carry in your arms, right, for a while. और वो आपसे छोटा है तो वो अपनी पीठ पर एक छोटा लड़का लिए हुई थी। क्या कर रही थी? अपनी पीठ पे एक छोटा लड़का लिए हुए थी। लड़का 4 साल का था। कितने साल का था? 4 साल का। वह सुंदर मुखड़े वाला था और उसके बाल घुंघराले थे। मीना धीरे और दृढ़ता के साथ पहाड़ी पर चढ़ रही थी। मीना किस तरह से चढ़ रही थी? धीरे धीरे। और वो लड़का कैसा था? दिखने में बहुत ही खूबसूरत था और उसके कर्ली हेयर थे, मतलब घुंघराले बाल थे उसके। समूह में एक आदमी को मीना पर तरस आया। उसने क्या किया? समूह में जो वो कई लोगों के साथ पहाड़ी पर चढ़ रही थी, वहाँ पे कई लोग थे, तो उसमें से एक आदमी को मीना पे तरस आया। उसने उसे पूछा कि वह एक लड़के का भार अपनी पीठ पर क्यों ढो रही है। लोड मीन्स व्हाट? भार, वजन। तो वो जो आदमी था उससे मीना पे तरस आया, इसलिए उसने मीना से ये शब्द कहे। मीना ने जवाब दिया कि वह लड़का उसका भाई है जो चल नहीं सकता। मीना ने क्या जवाब दिया कि वो जो उसने भार उठाया है अपने पीठ पे, वो कौन है? उसका भाई है और वो चल नहीं सकता। और भार शब्द से मीना को बहुत ही दुख हुआ। और भार शब्द जो व्यक्ति ने उससे कहा, उससे मीना को बहुत ही बुरा लगा, बहुत ही दुखी हुई वो। उसने तीखी प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करते हुए कहा कि वह लड़का कोई भार नहीं है बल्कि उसका भाई है। अभी मीना को तो बहुत ही बुरा लगा जब उस आदमी ने कहा कि इतने भार के साथ आप पहाड़ी पर चढ़ रही हो तो आपको वज़न नहीं लग रहा। तो इस शब्दों से मीना को बहुत ही बुरा लगा, भार शब्द से। और उसने समझाया, उसने कहा कि वो जो भार शब्द वो बोल रहा है, वो जो व्यक्ति कह रहा है, वो बल्कि उसका भाई है, उसके लिए वो बोझा नहीं है, उसके लिए वो बोझा वज़न नहीं है, बल्कि उसका छोटा भाई है, वो जो चल नहीं पाता। तो आपने देखा, अगर आपके भी भाई को के बहन को कोई अगर किसने रास्ते में कुछ कहा कि कुछ बोला तो आपको बुरा लगता है ना कि उसने ऐसा क्यों कहा आपके भाई या बहन को। तो उसी तरह से मीना को भी बहुत ही बुरा लगा। शी ऑल्सो फेल्ट बैड कि वाई द पर्सन यूज द वर्ड लोड, LOAD, लोड। लोड मीन्स भार, वजन। सो नाउ विल स्टार्ट विद द स्टोरी. All of you will read after me. Okay. So shall we start? Yes. Once upon a time there was a small hill. Once upon a time there was a small hill. A path went up the hill. A path went up the hill. एक समय की बात है, वहाँ पे एक छोटा पहाड़ था. So you can see पहाड़ है वहाँ पे. और पाथ यानी क्या? रास्ता हम कहते हैं, सड़क जो रास्ता है, रास्ता जो है वो. इट वेंट थ्रू थिक एंड लवली वुड्स ऑफ पाइन एंड फर ट्री. और जो रास्ता जो है वो कहाँ जा रहा था? वो काफ़ी सुंदर रास्ता था. वहाँ पे काफ़ी घने और खूबसूरत पेड़ पौधे थे. पीपल ऑफन वॉकड ऑन इट टू ए होली प्लेस. और पीपल जो है वो हमेशा वहाँ पे वहाँ पे हमें दिखते थे, क्योंकि वो जो जगह है वो क्या है? वो एक होली प्लेस है. वो जो हमें जगह जो दिखाई दे रही है वो एक होली प्लेस है. One day when the sun shone high in the sky, many people were seen climbing up the hill. एक दिन जब सूरज दिखाई दिया तब वहाँ पे हमने देखे कई सारे many people were climbing the hill. They were climbing slowly and carefully. A girl also climbed the hill with them. So you can see there is a girl who is climbing the hill with them. Her name was Meena. What was her name? Her name was Meena. Meena was 12 years old. How many years old she was? She was 12 years old. She carried a small boy on her back. What she did? She carried a small boy on her back. He was 4 years old. His hair was curly. What was curly? His hair. And how many years old the boy was? 4 years old. His eyes were black. And his face was as fresh as the morning dew. And the face was very fresh as the morning dew. एक समय की बात है, एक छोटी पहाड़ी थी. पहाड़ी के ऊपर एक रास्ता जाता था. वह घने और सुंदर देवदार तथा चीड़ के वृक्षों वाले जंगल में से जाता था. एक दिन जब ऊंचे आकाश में सूरज चमक रहा था, बहुत से लोग पहाड़ी पर चढ़ते हुए दिखाई पड़े. वे धीरे धीरे और सावधानीपूर्वक चढ़ाई कर रहे थे. एक लड़की भी उनके साथ पहाड़ी पर चढ़ रही थी. उसका नाम क्या था? मीना. वह 12 साल की थी. कितने साल की थी? 12 years old. वह अपने पीठ पर एक छोटा लड़का धो रही थी. अपने पीठ पर. She had carried a small boy on her back. वह 4 साल का था. कितने साल का था? 4 years old था. उसके बाल घुंघराले थे. उसके बाल कैसे थे? कर्ली थे, घुंघराले थे. उसकी आंखें काली थी और उसका चेहरा सुबह की ओस की तरह तरोताज़ा था. उसकी आंखें कैसी थी? काली थी. और उसका चेहरा कैसा था? एकदम सुबह जब मॉर्निंग ड्यू, एकदम सुबह जब एकदम रोशनी और एकदम अच्छा होता है तभी उसका तरोताज़ा उसका चेहरा था. So this was the description of the boy that Meena was carrying on her back. Now we don't know who is that boy. On the back she is carrying and she is walking on the hill very carefully. Now you must be knowing a hill, the route of the hill, the path of the hill is very dangerous. It is a sloping way. So we have to be very careful while climbing the hill. We should walk, we should take the steps very carefully so that we cannot slip down. And in fact she was carrying a load also on her back. What she was carrying? She was carrying a load also on her back and she was climbing it very carefully. As the sunshine danced through the trees, Meena climbed the hill slowly and steadily. As the sunshine danced through the trees. So what here? जैसे जैसे धूप पेड़ों में से निकल रही थी, मीना पहाड़ी पर धीरे धीरे चढ़ती रही थी. Meena climbed the hill slowly and steadily. Meena was happy. The boy was also happy. मीना जो थी वो खुश थी, लड़का भी खुश था. समूह, right? When she was climbing the hill, the boy was very happy. Meena was also very happy. A man in the group looked at Meena. समूह में से एक आदमी ने मीना को देखा. Right? He felt sorry for her. उससे क्या हुआ? उससे उस पर दया आ गई. He felt sorry for her. He asked her, "My child, why are you carrying a boy on your back?" उसने उससे पूछा, मेरी बच्ची तुम अपनी पीठ पर लड़के को क्यों ढो रही थी? Why you carrying a boy on your back? Don't you feel his load? क्या तुम्हें उसका भार महसूस नहीं होता? See, you can see a person is talking with Meena. This person is telling to Meena, कि वाई आर यू कैरिंग सच अ बिग लोड ऑन योर बैक. What word the person use? Load, bhar, right? So Meena looked at him in wonder. Meena looked at him in wonder. She could not understand him. She could not understand him. मीना ने आश्चर्य से उसकी ओर देखा. वह उसकी बात समझ नहीं सकी. वो उसकी बात समझ नहीं सकी. She could not understand him. Her brother was unable to walk. उसका भाई चलने में असमर्थ था. उसका भाई जो था वो चलने में असमर्थ था. मीना asked Lord, of course not, he is my brother. मीना ने क्या कहा? भार बिल्कुल नहीं, वो तो मेरा भाई है. उसने क्या कहा कि भार बिल्कुल नहीं, जो बोझ आप समझ रहे हो मेरे पीठ पे है वो मुझे बिल्कुल महसूस नहीं हो रहा. क्यों? वो मेरा छोटा भाई है. Right? So, did you enjoy the story? It is a love and affection between a brother and sister, and how Meena explained to that person that the load, the bhar which the person used for Meena is not actual for her. It is a small brother, younger brother who cannot walk, and she was happy to carry her brother on her back. So same with you also, children. You must be also feeling, if somebody tells, if you carry a small brother or you help your small brother sister, if somebody tells you, you must also be feeling bad. Then you give the explanation, it is not like that. Okay. So now we'll start with the new words. Understand. New words. Understand. Understand means what? Samajhna. Climbed. Climbed means what? Went up. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो मीरा क्या कर रही थी. मीना वो पहाड़ी पे चढ़ रही थी. होली मीन्स सेक्रेट प्लेस. होली. स्लोली, आहिस्ते आहिस्ते. स्लोली स्लोली. सॉरी. सॉरी यानी माफ़ी मांगना. सॉरी यानी दुखी होना या फिर सैड होना. लोड, LOAD, लोड. लोड यानी क्या? वज़न हम कहते हैं. लोड यानी क्या? वज़न, जो बोझा होता है वो. राइट. सो वंस अगेन विल से अंडरस्टैंड, क्लाइंब, होली, स्लोली, सॉरी एंड लोड. नाउ विल गो टू द टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइज. वेयर वर द पीपल गोइंग? वेयर वर द पीपल गोइंग? The people were climbing a small hill to go to a holy place. The people, PEOPLE, the people were, WERE, were climbing, CLIMBING, climbing a small, SMALL, small hill, 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 to go to a holy place. So this is the answer of the first question. Second, what did the man say to Meena? आदमी ने मीना से क्या कहा? The man, THE, the man said to Meena. The man said to Meena why she was carrying the load of a boy, the LOAD, the load of a boy on her back, BACK, back. Third, why do you think Meena was carrying her brother? Why do you think Meena was carrying her brother? आपके विचार से मीना अपने भाई को क्यों ढो रही थी? क्यों कैरी कर रही थी? सो मीना was carrying a brother. The answer is in the question till here. Meena was carrying her brother, CARRYING, carrying her brother because her brother because he was unable to walk and she loved him. Now choose the correct answer. What went up the hill? A path, B, a street, C, a road, D, a rail line. So what is the correct answer? A path. What is the correct answer? A path. What is the name of the girl in the story? Seema, Beena, Meena, Neena. So what is the name? Meena. What is the correct name in the story of the girl? Meena. How old was Meena? 10, 12, 9, 8. Come on, who will tell me? What was the age of Meena? How many years old was Meena? 12 years old. Yes. How old was Meena's brother? A5, B4, C6, D7. Can you tell me how old was Meena's brother? Come on, I'm waiting. Yes, 4 years old. So once again we will choose the correct answer. What went up the hill? A path. What went up the hill? A path. What is the name of the girl in the story? Meena. How old was Meena? 12. How old was Meena's brother? 4. Now fill in the blanks using the correct given words. Rat, sheep, box, rug, cot, den, pit. Now we'll read the sentences. The boy fell in the where did the boy fell? In the pit. So we'll write P-I-T, pit. Second, I dash hot milk. So what will you say? I sip, S-I-P, sip. So S-I-P, sip. I sip hot milk. 3 number, the kid is in the cot, C-O-T, cot. So C-O-T, cot. The kid is in the cot. 4 number, my toy is in the box, B-O-X, box. So once again we will read. The boy fell in the pit. I sip hot milk. The kid is in the cot. My toy is in the box. My toy is in the box. Then the lion is in the den. The lion is in the den. So D-E-N, den. The cat runs after the rat. So R-A-T, rat. I sat on the rug, R-U-G, rug. Now once again we will say the lion is in the den. The cat runs after the rat. I sit on the rug. Next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the opposite of the underlined words given in the sentence. What we have to do with the opposite words given in the sentence? So shall we start? Over here underline is given. We have to just write the opposite of it. So the rat ran in when the cat ran dash. So in opposite what it will be? Out. O-U-T, out. The rat ran in when the cat ran out. 2 number. The lion is big but the ant is dash. So what will you write? Big opposite. Ant is small. S-M-A-L-L, small. The giraffe has a long neck but the owls are, it is long. So what will you write? Opposite, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. 4 number, the sun appears in the day and the moon at dash. So the sun appears in the day and the moon at night. NIGHT, night. 5th number, the tea is hot but the water is hot. Ka what it will be? Come on, tell. Cold. COLD, cold. Trees are tall but the bushes are tall. Ka opposite? Short. SHORT, short. Last, Ram was sad but Radha was happy. So sad ka what is opposite? Happy. HAPPY, happy. HAPPY, happy. So once again we will read, children. The rat ran in when the cat ran out. The lion is big but the ant is small. The giraffe has a long neck but the owls are short. The sun appears in the day but the moon at night. The tea is hot but the water is cold. Trees are tall but the bushes were short. Ram was sad but Radha was happy. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise of the textbook and the story also. He is my brother. So dear children, complete this exercise, write with neat and good handwriting in your textbook only, and read the story once again. Thank you, students.